Hello, welcome to this video. Today we're looking at Flipgrid. Flipgrid is a great video discussion tool. It's a great way to record short videos. So this is my student's guide to using Flipgrid. So some of your teachers may ask you to contribute to a Flipgrid. So the easy way to do that is typically they will give you a join code. So you can copy that join code. You can go to Flipgrid and just go to flipgrid.com or get the app. And then you can enter the join code in there. And what you'll typically appear is there may be a video welcome and some text explaining what it is that you're being asked to do. You may also be able to see your peers' videos. So you just click add a video. And this window will appear. You'll see at the top corner, you can see how long you've got to make the video, so 1 minute 30, and that will vary depending on what your tutor has set. If we then go down underneath the window, we can start to set various settings. So let's go into options and let's see what we've got. So we could upload a clip. We can choose to have mic only. We could mirror the video, so you can see I can swing it around. I can mute it so there's no sound. I could choose to record my screen. And you could do a screen record and it will let you choose which part of the screen you want to record. So you're doing like a video review of a piece of work that you've done on screen. You could use it for that. And if you go into device settings, you can choose whether it's a plug-in microphone or a default microphone. Next along, we've got effects. So there are a number of effects you can add. So you could add some text boxes if you wanted. And then having added your text, you can position that on your frame somewhere. And you can obviously alter the background or add a stroke or change the color of the text if you wish. So if you then go back, it brings up text, and if you go back again, it brings up other options. So there's a pen option, and you can alter the thickness of the pen and the color of the pen. And then you can simply draw on your background. So I can do a couple of wheels on this car model behind me. So that's there. Again, if you click close, you then have to go back to the effects menu. Having done something, you always get the option to clear it afterwards. You can clear that and get rid of stuff. So if we go back to effects, so we've looked at the pen option, we've looked at adding a text box. There are filters, so there's a whole range of different filters and they apply different color overlays. So if we just go back, we could go for a pixelated view, or we could go for a Lego-like view, or we could just have no filter at all. So let's get rid of the filters. So we'll just go to filter and close those. So we go back again. We've got the ability to have a board. So it could be that we want to have some element of whiteboard. So let's go for a whiteboard. We can then use the slider to alter how much of you appears in the screen. And you may use this as a way of putting some text boxes in or drawing an explanation as a part of your video if that's what you want to do. So that's the use of the whiteboard. We'll go back again. And we'll get rid of the board for the moment. We've got a choice of stickers. So there's a whole range of different stickers and emojis and all sorts you can add there. And you just simply pick one that you like. And then you can position that within the frame. If you come up and you can take the handles and obviously alter the size of it, you can also flip it the other way as well. So there's something else you can add to your background. So back to the effects menu. So far we've looked at the filters, the text, the pen option, the board, the stickers, GIFs as well. You can add a GIF. For media, if you click media, you can upload an image. So if there's an image you wanted to add, you could do that, and you can see the formats there. You could add as well. And let's go back. And then we've also got the option to add a frame. So you've got a variety of different frames available. So it could be a newscast, or it could be just a pattern that goes around your your picture. So whatever it is that you want, you can add to the frame. So that's all the different effects you've got. So you've got lots and lots of customization options to help you convey the message that you're looking to convey as part of your video. So when you're happy you've added all the effects that you want, you can close the effects menu. One final thing you can do is you can add a background. So this is something that's relatively new, and you've got a variety of different backgrounds available. So you can use a photo, one of your own photos as part of your background, or you can choose one of the backgrounds that are available within Flipgrid. So there's a whole wealth of different things. So I've put one that ties in with my foreground. And now I'm ready to record. So I hit record, it'll give me a countdown, and then I can start to record my video. I can talk about what it is I want to do. I could decide I want to use some of the effects to do a drawing whilst I'm talking. There are where I appear in the frame, so you can see I can be moved around the frame, so I can be quite small, I can be pointing at stuff, or I can be full frame. So that's quite a useful feature. And when I'm happy that I've finished my video, I'm really pleased with that, I can go next. And then I can start to record and it will play back my video. If I click on the timeline, it will let me trim my video, and I can move those elements up and down to trim the length of my video. If I'm not happy with it, I can delete it and start again. If I am happy with it, I can click confirm. And then I can start to record my video. I can talk about what it is I wanted. So I'm now happy with that. I could add music if I wanted to, and there's a whole range of free music I could listen to. I could add just by clicking on the plus. Otherwise, I can click next again, and it will let me add maybe any additional links. It will let me take a selfie if I prefer a selfie, or upload a photo as opposed to having that. I can add a name tag. So I can do that in various functions. I can format that and click confirm in place of the still. And then when I'm happy, I can put in a description. If I choose, I can hit submit. It will then upload that video for me. And it will also give me a link if I wanted to share that video, or a QR code. So if I click share link, it's still preparing the video. That'll take a minute or two, and then I could watch the video there. If I go back, I can look at what the teacher would see. So I think it was that one. Was it this one? There is now a video there. As you can see, there is a video there. And as I click on that one, I'd be able to see there is the video. The teacher can see my video. So there you have it, a guide to using Flipgrid. I think Flipgrid is a really useful way of creating videos. Great if you want to use the screen record feature that I highlighted, or just use maybe the whiteboards or the filters or the backgrounds to create your video as a way of demonstrating what it is that you've said. And you can, typically your tutor will ask you maybe to respond to others' videos. So you may watch your peers' videos before making your own video. So now I hope you found that video useful. If you did, remember to subscribe to the channel and join me again soon for more EdTech videos. Thanks for watching.